volcano, and the eruption is going to be elephant toothpaste. What you will need is half a bottle of
hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen. Sound it out.
Hydrogen peroxide. Is that it?
No. Yes. Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Food colouring, red, of course, and dishwashing liquid. You need a couple of packets of dry yeast and half a cup of cold water.
That's a box. That's a tub.
Okay. Now, firstly, we need to get the yeast.
4 packets of yeast and put it into the water.
And put it into the water and start mixing. While we're doing that, add some dishwashing liquid.
Don't get on me. I don't want that disgusting thing.
Yep.
Ugh.
Now for the food colouring.
Yeah, you have to put more dishwashing liquid.
That's enough. Now for some food colouring.
Put it in. Keep going.
Okay. Stir so it turns all red. Stir so there's no more big chunks.
Just got a bathroom out here. It's good. Yeah.
Okay, like that. Now we need to get. We get.
You have to put that in, then you put this in.
Some of the hydrogen peroxide in.
Put that in there.
Listen to me.
Okay. Alright. Where do we put it in?
There. Into the volcano. Only a bit, not that much. That's enough. Way too much.
Look, there's still more than half.
Okay. Now we need to add the yeast, and stand back.
Take out the funnel.
Take the funnel out. And now to stand back.
Coming up.
Wait a while, just wait a bit.
Coming
it
up.
will all come out.
Wait, give it time.
Give it time. Because it does take a long time to come out. A bit more of that would help, Aiden. That would be enough. Now it's coming out.
Not that much.
It's still gonna come out more. Now this will take a couple of minutes for it to actually explode. Because the more you wait, the more will come out. The more it will mix. We just need a bit more. And just make sure we've got all of that in. Hold on. Just keep adding this, like the hydrogen and peroxide and dishwashing detergent. There. And a bit
That's
more
more than
food
half.
colouring because of the whiteness. There. And that is the Hudges volcano. It's gonna still come out, but it'll take a long time.
Later, it just comes.
We'll take some photos of it later.
We've got some photos of the previous one, but previously we thought it wasn't as. We thought it wasn't going to explode. We thought it was just going to be a little bit. But then when we let it have a rest, we went back in and it was massive.
So we'll take some photos.
We're going to take some photos. We'll just let it keep exploding.
As you can
Tip
see,
it up.
look at
Explodes, comes out like four.
Okay.
And then when it keeps exploding, we'll take some pictures, and then it's going to be like bigger.
As you can see, the foam's still all coming out and that.
As you can see, yeah, that's exactly what Amy said. It's still coming out. It had oxygen in the bubbles.
The yeast acted as a helper to remove the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. It did this very fast. It created lots of bubbles.
The bottle got warm, if you did not notice.
The experiment created a reaction called the exothermic reaction, which means it's not only creating foam, it's created heat. The experiment is just water, soap, and oxygen. Thank you for watching another episode of Backyard Science. With your hosts, Aiden, Jay, and Amy.
Keep tuned for our next episode.
And Hannah, which is
Absence.
Cheers! Hope you enjoyed our fabulous video of Backyard Science.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.